Waited well, Kiers'. The pass was spot on the money then he works hard to get into a shooting position. After that first touch, Williams may have had the slightest of touches, dipped that across the line. It looks as though it may very well have. It's a banger. Could very well be a banger that spun out from over the line. Patiently we wait. Brilliant from Kiers'. Quality in the ball. And then magic in what follows after that. Did the entire circumference of the ball cross the goal line? That is the question. VAR will take their time with this. They were in action in the first half, if you weren't with us then. And while they've got a decision to make here, what a moment against the one to play here. That first touch, a blinding touch, and that strike could very well be one of the goals of this year's Champions League campaign here. So, decision made, and it'll be in favor of the home side by the look of it, the entire set.